Alright, so hey, what's up guys? So here's my case, and yeah, there's only Beyblade space inside. And as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to do something, fixing or repairing. And yeah, this is getting very noisy, so let's just quickly reduce the noise and also start the work that you have seen in the thumbnail. Let's get started. So alright everyone, here's my Beyblade string launcher as you can see in the video, and you can already see the main issue on the launcher. String launcher का string का हालत तुम सब देख ही सकते हो, बोले तो As you can see, the string of the Beyblade launcher is like now fully damaged. एकदम use की हालत में तो ये launcher अभी नहीं है. So I think if I do a couple of Beyblade launches, I think the string of the launcher will get. Oh. What? We have to do something about this. इसका मत्था खुल गया. Yeah, it was expected because as you all know that guys, it's a fake Beyblade launcher. So yeah, I know this would happen someday. So I already know how to fix it. So okay, let me just quickly show you how you can fix your Beyblade string launcher if it's fake or original. I hope this video will help you out and it will help you to fix your own Beyblade launcher as well. So alright everyone, let's get started. Alright, I'm done unscrewing the launcher. अब चलो भाई जल्दी से launcher का अंदर का माल थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं, देखते हैं क्या प्रॉब्लम है. Well, I actually have no idea how the string just got damaged so much, but here's the ring as you can see. But yeah, there's nothing like sharp inside the ring, so actually I have no idea how this string just got damaged. But anyway, this is actually not the first time I'm facing this issue. I have faced this type of issue many times with my other Beyblade launcher like Beyblade Post, even Beyblade Metal series as well. Yep, it was a little bit tough for me to take out that plastic part from the string puller. And now let me just quickly take out that bigger gear part because this is the main part where mainly the string is actually attached. And here's the extra string that was inside the launcher. You can clearly see the condition of the string guys. I actually have no idea, as a fake launcher the mechanism of the string launcher was pretty good, but the string is very cheap quality, not gonna lie. भाई ये string का हालत तुम सब देख सकते हो भाई, ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी का बाल मैंने उखाड़ के ले आया है. Alright, so we are going to use a string something like this as you can see in the video, and I actually got this string from a thread shop where mostly threads are sold, but you can also get it from other types of shops like sports shops. Okay, alright, so give a good look on the strings that I'm going to use to fix my Beyblade string launcher. And yeah, this is not actually the only string that you have to use to fix your string launcher. If you're not able to get this type of strings, you can also use other type of strings if you want, but make sure that the strings that you are buying or you have, it must need to be durable. Okay, now let me just check how much long string we actually need for the launcher. बस थोड़ा सा चेक कर रहा हूँ भाई कितना लंबा चाहिए हमको स्ट्रिंग. मेरा जो पुराना वाला ब्लैक वाला तुम सब देख सकते हो, इसके साथ भाई मैच करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. तो हाँ, इतना ही भाई आई थिंक काफ़ी है. Alright, now it's time to fix our string launcher and make it usable again. So first we have to make a knot on the top of the string as you can see like this I am doing in the video, and we have to place it on the gear like it was placed before when the black one was attached on the gear. Alright, something like this. Alright, now let me just quickly place everything back together. Like you can see the metal ring, then also this black color parts. Alright, let me just quickly place the string inside that black color part again. And guys, please let me know what does this black color part actually called. I actually have no idea what it's called, but I mostly call it as string puller because we mostly pull this part, and that is why I call it as string puller. But yeah, if this black color part has a separate name, let me know in the comments. Alright, so finally I am done adding a new string, and as you can see now the string is looking much more longer than before, I guess. I don't know, but I think so. Alright, now let's just quickly place everything back together with our new string added on the launcher. And yeah, before screwing the launcher again, make sure everything has been placed properly, otherwise the launcher will not gonna perform properly. So yeah, every part of the launcher inside must need to be placed properly. Alright my boys, our launcher is now one piece, and looks like now the string is much more longer than before. Actually I have no idea, but here you go everyone, our string launcher of Beyblade X is finally repaired and fixed. Yep, working pretty well, no rough issues. Alright, let's just test it out. Alright, now it's time for the real test. So here's my Takara Tomy drone sword, and yeah, this launcher is fake as you can see, and you have also seen the mechanism. It's not actually pretty much similar like Takara Tomy extra string launcher, but anyway, let's test it out with our Takara Tomy drone sword. Let's see how it performs. And yeah, I'm running out of daylight, so let's just make this quick. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh sheesh, nice. Yep, fully one piece and fixed and repaired. Alright, finishing versus Voice Tiger. Oh, sheesh, nice. That was a smash attack from Phoenix Wing. I ran OP. Oh, fast finish. Oh, another burst. Oh, Phoenix Wing is like crashing everything, dude. Subscribe.